Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can record your Zoom meetings in or through the Loom screen recording application to save them in your Loom video library for your team or your workspace. So let us get started. So guys, what you will need to do is make sure that both applications are launched on your device, the Zoom video meeting application as well as the Loom screen recorder. And you can use your Zoom meeting link to paste it directly here in the Loom screen recorder to record it and to save it in your Loom video library or meeting library. So what you want to do is here in the Loom screen recorder is click into these three dots here and select meetings. And here guys, you will see this option record a meeting with Loom. Now, as previously mentioned guys, you will need the meeting link, be it from Google Meet or Microsoft Teams or Zoom, and paste it here. And after that, click into record, and the given Zoom meeting will start, or Loom will start recording the given meeting, so that you don't have to click into this button, but you can use these recording controls on the left hand side to stop the meeting recording. And once it's done, these meetings will be saved in your Loom video library or meetings library. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.